Good morning, children. Lesson 4 from the diary of Anne Frank is going on. Now, you know that Anne Frank lived in Holland after Hitler invaded. They had to remain in hiding, means she lived with her parents, you know, her father, mother, and an elder sister was there in the house. So they had to remain in hiding to escape Hitler's persecution of the Jews. You have learned that Annie was given a diary on her 13th birthday, as she did not have a close friend. She made her diary as one and named it Kitty. She wrote every kind of development, problems, or any event in her diary as she looked at it, her truest friend. We have already done page number 48, 49, 50. See page number 50, oral comprehension check. This is very important for you. I think you have already thought about this questions. Very important for you. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? The central point of the question is a strange experience. Writing in a diary, a strange experience for Anne Frank. Two reasons. Writing in a diary, a strange experience for Anne Frank. First, she has never written anything before writing in this diary. And second reason was no one will be interested. She thought that no one will be interested in the thoughts of a 13-year-old girl. These are the two reasons. Question 2. Why does Annie want to keep a diary? It is clear to you. Annie wants to keep a diary because she had no friends to tell her day-to-day happenings. You know, everyone wants a true friend to whom he may say. Third question, why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? Annie thought that she could confide more in her diary than in people because he has because she had no any true friend. Okay? She thought that she could confide more in her diary than in people because she had no any true friend. So she treated with diary as her close friend, or you can say truest friend. Next, since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty. If I were to plunge, plunge means to go into writing, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. My father, the most adorable father, adorable is lovable father I have ever seen, did not marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. At the marriage of, she tells about her father and mother. At the time of their marriage, her father was 36 years old, while her mother was 25 years old. My sister Margot, dear children, remember the name of elder sister of Annie. My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. I was born on 12 June 1929. You can say she was 3 years younger than her elder sister Margot. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. My father immigrated to Holland in 1933. Keep these years in your mind. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank, Edith Hollander Frank, went with him to Holland in September. While Margot and I were sent to Aachen, is a place, to stay with our grandmother, Margot went to Holland in December, and I followed in February when I was plunked down, thrown down on the table as a birthday present for Margot. Plunk down means an informal word put down in a casual way. I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School. Montessori Nursery School for little children. I stayed there until I was 6. At which time I started in the first form. In the 6th form, my teacher was Mrs. Cooperus, the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. In the summer of 1941, Grandma means grandmother fell ill and had to have an operation, so my birthday passed with little celebration. It was not a grand celebration. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended, means thought of, to make up for the other, and Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. The 4 of us are still doing well. Who are 4 of us? Father, mother, elder sister and Annie. And that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication, serious devotion of my diary. Two questions are there. Why does Annie provide a brief sketch of her life? Annie provides a brief sketch of her life because she feels that no one would understand a word of her stories if she does not write about her life. Listen once more. Why does Annie provide a brief sketch of her life? Annie provides a brief sketch of her life because she feels that no one would understand a word of her stories if she does not write about her life. Second question, what tells you that Annie loved her grandmother? Just you have read. Because she remembers her grandma or grandmother after her death. You can say Annie loved her grandmother in Aachen. Aachen. She lived with her till she was 6. She loved and remembered her grandmother after her death in 1942. Dear children, now see, I think you have to read this lesson again and again. You should listen this class. You can listen this class again and again so that you may understand well. Next day, I shall discuss the next part, rest part of the lesson. Thank you, children.